Growing up, one question must have popped into the heads of many of you. Are aliens real? Well, today's your lucky day. Today, we embark on a journey that's out of this world as we explore the top 10 convincing signs of alien existence. So, grab your tinfoil hats and buckle up for an extraterrestrial adventure. Let's dive into our extraterrestrial journey with number 10, unexplained crop circles. Picture this. Vast fields transformed into intricate patterns overnight, baffling farmers and researchers alike. The mystery surrounding crop circles has been debated and fascinated for decades. These intricate designs, often resembling complex geometric shapes and sometimes even coded messages, pop up in fields all around the world. The question is, who or what is behind these phenomena? Could they be a form of communication from intelligent beings beyond our comprehension? While some argue that crop circles are man-made hoaxes, others point to these formations' sheer complexity and precision, suggesting a level of sophistication that surpasses human capabilities. Witness accounts often describe strange lights or unexplained phenomena occurring in the vicinity of these mysterious creations. I spoke with Dr. Sarah Anderson, a leading researcher in the field. According to her, some crop circles exhibit characteristics that defy simple explanations. The precision, symmetry, and speed at which these formations appear are beyond the scope of conventional understanding. Could these be artistic expressions from a higher intelligence? Imagine the possibility that crop circles are a form of cosmic graffiti or an attempt at interstellar communication. If that's the case, what could these symbols mean? Are they messages of peace, warnings, or perhaps just cosmic doodles from a bored alien artist? I think we will find out soon enough. Our cosmic journey continues with number 9, the WOW signal. An Ohio State University radio telescope recorded Sagittarius in August 1977, an unexpected pulse of radiation from someplace around the constellation. The 37-second signal was so impressive that an astronomer watching the data wrote "Wow" on the telescope's printout. The broadcast was within the radio frequency spectrum, where transmissions are internationally prohibited on Earth. Furthermore, natural sources of radiation from space typically cover a broader frequency range. What makes the WOW? The signal is so intriguing that it fits the criteria of what scientists consider a potential alien communication. It was a narrowband signal at a frequency not commonly observed in space and resembled the kind of transmission we might expect from an advanced civilization. Given that the nearest star in that direction is 220 million light-years away, it would have had to be caused by a tremendous astronomical event, or by intelligent aliens with a very strong transmitter. The signal is still unknown. To shed light on the significance of the WOW signal, I spoke with Dr. Emily Rodriguez, an astrophysicist. According to her, the WOW signal remains an unsolved cosmic mystery, and its potential extraterrestrial origin cannot be ruled out. Could this have been a signal from intelligent beings trying to make contact with us? Maybe, maybe not. Now we're delving into number 8, ancient astronauts. Strap in because this one takes us on a trip through time, exploring the possibility that extraterrestrial beings may have visited Earth in our ancient past, leaving behind intriguing clues. Think about the ancient civilizations that have left us awe-inspiring wonders, like the pyramids of Egypt or the Nazca lines in Peru. But what if, beyond human ingenuity, there was an otherworldly influence guiding our ancestors? Throughout history, we find depictions of beings that eerily resemble modern-day descriptions of aliens. From cave paintings to ancient texts, some theorists suggest that these depictions might be evidence of extraterrestrial encounters. Take, for example, the ancient Sumerians, who left behind detailed accounts of the Anunnaki, believed by some to be advanced beings from another planet. Could these stories be early attempts by humans to describe encounters with extraterrestrial visitors? I had the privilege of speaking with Dr. Marcus Turner, an archaeologist specializing in ancient civilizations. According to him, certain ancient artifacts and texts raise intriguing questions about the role of possible extraterrestrial influence in shaping human history. Number 7. 2002. Chemical hints of life are found in Venus probe. According to University of Texas astrobiologists, life in Venus clouds may be the best method to explain several strange anomalies in the composition of its atmosphere. They combed through data from NASA's Pioneer and Magellan space probes and Russia's 1970s Venera Venus lander missions. Solar radiation and lightning on Venus should produce carbon monoxide in large quantities, but it is scarce as if somebody were eliminating it. Both hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide are present. These react quickly together and are rarely seen coexisting unless some process is constantly churning them out. The presence of carbonyl sulfide is the most puzzling. This is only created on Earth by microorganisms or catalysts, not by any other known inorganic method. The researchers propose that bacteria dwelling in the Venusian atmosphere is a solution to this problem. The blazing hot, acidic surface of Venus may be uninhabitable, but conditions 50 kilometers up in the atmosphere are more friendly and moist, with a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius and pressure comparable to Earth. Number 6. Abduction stories and extraterrestrial encounters. Throughout the annals of UFO lore, tales of abductions have been both captivating and perplexing. These accounts involve individuals who claim to have been taken by beings from beyond our world, offering a unique perspective on the potential interactions between humans and extraterrestrial entities. Picture this: ordinary people recounting extraordinary experiences, being lifted from their homes or vehicles, subjected to medical examinations, and often receiving messages or visions from their otherworldly captors. These stories share common themes, creating a mosaic of abduction encounters that have left a lasting mark on the UFO community and popular culture. Many abduction stories involve the iconic image of the gray aliens, small, humanoid creatures with large, dark eyes. Witnesses often describe a sense of powerlessness during these encounters, leaving them with vivid memories and emotional imprints that linger for a lifetime. But the question remains: are these accounts genuine experiences, or the result of sleep paralysis, psychological phenomena, or something else entirely? Abduction stories have not only fascinated UFO enthusiasts, but have also influenced popular culture, shaping our perception of what extraterrestrial encounters might entail. Behold the Martian landscape, a barren expanse that has become a canvas for speculation about potential extraterrestrial activity. The Red Planet has provided us with a cosmic playground for the imagination, from the infamous face on Mars to structures resembling ancient ruins. Some claim to have spotted pyramidal structures, unusual rock formations, and even objects that seem out of place against the Martian backdrop. The question arises, could these be remnants of an ancient Martian civilization, or are we witnessing geological formations and optical illusions? While some anomalies may capture our imaginations, it's crucial to approach these findings with a scientific lens. NASA's Mars missions, such as the Curiosity rover and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, continue to explore the Martian surface, collecting data and providing a more comprehensive understanding of these enigmatic features. Number 4. 1960s Drake Equation. In 1961, US radio astronomer Frank Drake devised an equation to estimate the number of planets in the galaxy that have intelligent life and can communicate with us. The Drake equation multiplies 7 factors, including the rate at which stars like our Sun create, the number of Earth-like planets, and the fraction of those on which life arises. Many of these figures are debatable, but Drake predicts that the total number of communicating civilizations in the galaxy will be around 10,000. Based on new data and ideas, a more thorough estimate of the number of life-bearing planets in the galaxy came up with a figure in the hundreds of thousands in 2001. For the first time, the researchers calculated the number of planets that may exist in the habitable zone of stars, where water is liquid and photosynthesis is viable. According to the findings, an inhabited Earth-like planet could be only a few hundred light-years distant. Number 3. Martian fossils are discovered in meteorites. In 1996, NASA scientists made a contentious announcement claiming they had found what seemed to be fossilized bacteria in a potato-shaped piece of Martian rock. The meteorite was most likely blasted from the surface of Mars in a collision and traveled the solar system for 15 million years before crashing to Antarctica in 1984. A careful examination indicated that the rock contains organic molecules as well as microscopic specks of the mineral magnetite, which is occasionally found in Earth microbes. NASA researchers claim to have discovered nanobacteria under the electron microscope. However, most of the evidence has now been called into question. Other specialists have claimed that the magnetite particles were not comparable to those found in bacteria, and that the organic compounds came from Earth. A 2003 study also showed how chemical processes could generate crystals that mimic nanobacteria in the laboratory. Number 2. UFO sightings by military personnel. Buckle up, fellow cosmic adventurers, as we now enter the realm of number 2, UFO sightings by military personnel. When those who protect our skies report unidentified flying objects, it's time to pay attention. These encounters bring an air of credibility and urgency to the quest for extraterrestrial evidence. Picture this: highly trained military personnel, the eyes and ears of our national defense, witnessing something beyond the scope of conventional explanation. UFO sightings by the military have been reported globally, with numerous accounts detailing encounters that defy our understanding of aerial capabilities. These accounts often describe objects moving at extraordinary speeds, executing maneuvers that surpass the capabilities of our most advanced aircraft. The question arises: are these sightings evidence of advanced technology from other civilizations, or is there a more down-to-earth explanation? We are still waiting to discover that. Number 1. The Viking Mars landers detect chemical signatures indicative of life. At number 1, we have the best one for you. NASA's Viking landers performed tests on Martian soil samples that suggested chemical signs of life. One experiment blended soil with radioactive carbon-labeled nutrients and then checked for radioactive methane gas generation. The test result was positive. The presence of radioactive methane in the soil meant that something was metabolizing the nutrients and creating radioactive gas. However, because additional experiments on board found no indications of life, NASA considered the discovery a false positive. Despite this, one of the original scientists and others, who have since reanalyzed the data, continue to support the finding. They claim that the other tests on board needed to be equipped to look for organic compounds, which are a vital sign of life. And there you have it, the top 10 convincing signs of alien existence. The universe is full of compelling mysteries, whether it's crop circles, mysterious signals, or ancient astronaut depictions. What do you think? Are we alone in the cosmos, or is there evidence that suggests otherwise? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up.